Folic acid tablets and black hair. Have you noticed your black hair losing its vibrancy and wondered if there's a natural solution to maintain its rich color? Folic acid, a vital B vitamin, might be the key to keeping your black hair looking lush and full. While folic acid is widely known for its role in cellular health and DNA synthesis, it could also be a powerful ally in preserving your hair's natural color and preventing premature graying. Hair color is determined by the pigment melanin, which is produced by melanocytes in the hair follicles. As we age or due to certain nutritional deficiencies, the production of melanin can decrease, leading to premature graying. Folic acid plays a critical role in supporting cell turnover and growth, which is vital for maintaining the health of hair follicles and melanin production. By ensuring adequate levels of folic acid, you may help maintain the pigment cells in your hair follicles, potentially delaying the onset of gray hair. Moreover, folic acid supports the production of healthy red blood cells, which are crucial for transporting oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles. Proper nourishment of hair follicles helps maintain hair strength and promotes a vibrant color. A deficiency in folic acid can lead to reduced blood flow and nutrient supply to the scalp, contributing to weaker, duller hair and possibly accelerating the graying process. For those looking to maintain their natural black hair color, folic acid tablets could be a simple yet effective addition to their daily health regimen. By supporting the overall health of hair follicles and promoting melanin production, folic acid might help you keep your hair looking youthful and vibrant longer. Additionally, combining folic acid supplementation with a diet rich in folic acid containing foods, such as leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified cereals, can further enhance these benefits. To maximize the potential benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure that folic acid supplementation aligns with your overall health goals. Are you ready to explore the potential of folic acid in maintaining your hair's natural black color? How will you incorporate folic acid into your hair care routine? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.